Dr. Oheneba Boachi Ajay is chief of the scoliosis service at the renowned Hospital for Special Surgery in New York City. Born in Ghana, West Africa, Dr. Boachi came to the United States in the early 1970s. He immediately enrolled at Brooklyn College, where he took both day and night classes. He worked as a tutor to help supplement his grants and loans. After graduating summa cum laude from college, he went on to Columbia University's College of Physicians and Surgeons. While his career as an orthopedic surgeon has flourished in the United States, Dr. Boachi's homeland is never far from his mind. That's why in 1998, with his own money, he established FOCOS, the Foundation for Orthopedics and Complex Spine. The aim of FOCOS is to provide medical care and treatment for low-income patients with spinal deformities living in developing nations. FOCOS is committed to creating an international network of orthopedic healthcare professionals to volunteer their services for such treatment. Since its inception, FOCOS teams have treated more than 500 patients in Ghana and Barbados. Along with as many as 20 other volunteer doctors and nurses, Dr. Boachi travels regularly to Ghana and Barbados, where they operate for free on scoliosis, hip problems, club feet, and other conditions. One happy patient is Ama Day, an 8-year-old with scoliosis and Marfan syndrome, which has affected her heart, eyes, and spine. She was seen for the first time at the Trust Hospital by a resident orthopedic surgeon. With the help of wireless image transfer technology, her x-rays were sent to Dr. Boachi in New York. He confirmed the presence of scoliosis and advised surgery for this young patient. Through sponsorship by FOCOS, she underwent a successful scoliosis operation at the Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital in Accra, the capital of Ghana. Ama is now back in school and able to lead a much more normal teenage life.
How are you feeling since your surgery?
Better.
You feeling much better?
Yes.
Okay, what have you noticed differently?
I'm straight.
You're straight now?
Yes.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Another grateful patient is Mr. Achampong, a 28-year-old schoolteacher from the Ashanti region of Ghana. He was initially seen at a clinic in one of the smaller villages in Ghana. Dr. Boachi and his FOCOS associates examined him and referred him to the Komfo Anochi Hospital to obtain spine x-rays. Mr. Achampong had been aware of his curve since he was a teenager. He had sought many opinions in the country, but was told that there was no specialist or facility able to deal with such complex deformity. With chronic pain and difficulty breathing, Mr. Achampong always felt bashful going out or removing his clothes. Realizing that he did not have the financial resources to cover a surgery that would cost upwards of $100,000, FOCOS agreed to sponsor him.
Now, in Ghana, these costs are astronomical. Nobody can afford it. So what the foundation has done is basically having the patients come to the Trust Hospital for their outpatient screening. So those costs, I'm sure they can afford. And then we, as the professionals, do not charge anything.
As a result, he underwent successful surgery by the FOCOS medical team at the Korle-Bu Hospital. After the surgery, Mr. Achampong expressed his gratitude to FOCOS in an interview that appeared on Ghana TV. He thanked everyone for their commitment to saving lives and for the miracle that he had been hoping for all his life. Now a few inches taller and straighter, Mr. Achampong is already enjoying a much more productive life, teaching children and inspiring them to become successful and productive members of our world. While Korle-Bu Teaching Hospital and Trust Hospital are premier healthcare institutions in Ghana, they are not equipped to perform complex surgical procedures for spine deformities. They lack the trained surgeons and personnel as well as the expensive equipment needed to perform such operations. Dr. Boachi and his team of experts and volunteers are addressing these needs. They are bringing in the skilled surgeons and the high-tech equipment. Through collaborative efforts initiated by FOCOS, medical equipment companies are donating sophisticated medical instruments and technology that FOCOS is flying into Ghana. On their visits to Ghana, the FOCOS teams regularly perform surgeries at Korle-Bu Hospital, Trust Hospital, and the Komfo Anochi Hospital in Ghana. During these trips, they also visit health centers run by Aid for Children in Africa, in small villages throughout Ghana. At these centers, they conduct orthopedic and rehabilitation evaluations. On a typical 2-week visit, The team will see upwards of 100 patients with spinal problems and other orthopedic conditions. They will perform more than 20 operations to correct spinal deformities, replace hips, and address other serious orthopedic issues. Non-surgical patients receive instructions on physical therapy and free samples of anti-inflammatory medications as needed. FOCOS provides affordable and free care for low-income international patients with spinal deformities. It is now working to build the FOCOS Orthopedic and Rehabilitation Institute for Children in Ghana, West Africa. This will be the first of its kind for Ghana. According to Dr. Boachi, it will provide orthopedic and spine care for the people of Ghana and the surrounding countries of West Africa. It will serve as a tertiary care and referral center for smaller satellite facilities in the region. This Orthopedic and Spine Institute will have modern facilities that offer diagnosis, treatment, and research. It will provide education and family accommodations. It's no wonder that Dr. Boachi and FOCOS have already developed quite a fan club. To continue this important work, Dr. Boachi needs your help. Please help FOCOS realize its dreams to build the first orthopedic and rehabilitation teaching hospital for children in Ghana. Your generosity will enable them to give people the promise of a brighter future.